When boiling eggs, never boil eggs directly in water. Today I'm going to show you how. Boiled eggs like a 5-star restaurant. Eggs will be fresh and soft, easy to peel and flake off when touched. Eggs will taste yolk ripened, not dry. The most important thing is that the skin will fall off. Let's watch the video. First, clean the eggshells. Sometimes they're covered in chicken manure, feathers and dirt. Egg cleaning to ensure hygiene and safety. And don't dirty the egg pots we cook. Don't skip this step because if you ignore hygiene, E. coli bacteria, it's very easy to penetrate from outside the eggshell into the digestive tract and cause disease. Put the eggs in the pot. Next, add some salt to the egg. Then add some baking soda. Then add water to flood the eggs. Where are you from? Leave me a comment. Dissolve salt and baking soda. It's nice to know that we can meet on a world level. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can register by clicking the register button. It's great to see your support. Then soak the eggs for 5 minutes. After soaking enough time, we can use a kitchen towel to clean the eggs. When chickens lay eggs, the eggs need to go through a path called a wormhole to lay eggs. The cloaca is responsible for excretion, so the dirt on the surface of the egg could be chicken feces, chicken hair and other dirt. The pollutants, along with the adhesion of pathogenic microorganisms, Escherichia coli and Salmonella. Salt and baking soda have a good cleaning effect. Baking soda makes stains easy to peel off. Salt has good antiseptic and cleaning effect. In this way, eggs can be cleaned better and the ripening will be better. No smell from dirt. Many people store eggs in the refrigerator, so it's best to put the eggs in clean water. About 10 minutes before boiling the eggs. Eggs stored in the refrigerator will cause the temperature to drop suddenly when boiling. If you boil the eggs directly, eggs are easier to hatch when exposed to hot water. Makes the egg whites stick to the shell and difficult to peel. So this step isn't just for cleaning eggs. It also makes it easier to peel your eggs. Next, wash the eggs with clean water. Eggs are one of the foods. Has great nutritional value. Provides vitamins and minerals. It also contains a lot of protein. Choline is good for health. It's very easy to eat, and almost anyone, from the elderly to children, can be eaten. The eggs are clean throughout. You will feel comfortable eating. Add about 500 milliliters of water to the pot. Next, add some salt. Then stir well until dissolved. Salt will increase the boiling temperature of the water, helps the eggs to ripen more evenly. Now put the autoclave on the pot. Then put the eggs in the autoclave. Normally we boil chicken eggs. Duck eggs directly in water. You find they crack easily, or white yolk spills out when the water boils. This reduces the taste when eating and is very wasteful. Some eggs are even hard to peel. It makes them unattractive. Now put a bowl in the middle of the autoclave. Add some vinegar to the bowl. Add a little salt to the stir bowl until the salt melts. If you want eggs to boil and peel more easily, we can give you 1 more spoonful, salt and some white vinegar. These 2 things help the eggshells flake better when peeled. Because eggshells are made of calcium carbonate, so it reacts with acetic acid in vinegar to soften the eggshells. It'll separate in a single touch. The presence of these 2 ingredients, it will make the eggs softer and more delicious. Add salt to the bowl when steamed. Salt helps the steam shine better, and the eggs taste better. An appropriate amount of salt can increase the amount of electrolytes in the body, good for health. Boil on high heat until boiling. When steaming eggs, a lot of steam will gradually heat the eggs, and you don't have to worry about boiling eggs in cold or hot water. This way the eggs will ripen slowly, and the eggs don't crack because of the sudden temperature change. Steamed eggs do not need to be measured, water, or worry about the water level in the kitchen. That just let the steam work. It's too easy, isn't it? When boiling eggs in water, you'll see the egg is broken, and by colliding with the pot as the water boils. This way ensure the eggs are intact and delicious. When the water boils, turn on medium heat and continue cooking for another 12 minutes. For soft-boiled eggs, cooked for 6 minutes. For boiled eggs, cooked for about 11 to 12 minutes. If the eggs are too long, there's a chemical change going on inside the egg, leads to poor egg taste and unfavorable digestion. 11 to 12 minutes is a good standard. Open the lid after enough time. You just saw that the egg smells so good. There's no fishy smell. Eat eggs immediately after boiling hot and peeled. Please prepare a pot of cold water. Cold water will help lower the temperature of the egg very effectively. You put the egg in the water immediately to make it easier to peel. And the essence of protein is glue. It tends to expand when it's hot and contract when it's cold. So soaking in cold water will help the protein shrink the shell. They're also easy to peel. Soak until the egg is cool and not hot to the touch. Otherwise, when peeled, it's easy to get egg whites. It's a waste and a waste of time. Boiled eggs this way intact. No cracking or shattering. Now let's peel the eggs. Use the back of a knife to lightly line the egg. Just tapping a short paragraph. Now let's see how it flakes out. Wow! The egg flakes out very easily and quickly. No egg whites attached. Very beautiful egg. Intact egg white, soft, smooth and elastic. We're still doing the same thing, but tapping the length of the egg. Eggs are very nutritious, but when you eat eggs, you should pay attention. You shouldn't drink tea. If you've ever eaten eggs before, protein in eggs, combined with tannic acid in tea, will cause indigestion. In addition, you should not eat chicken eggs with soy, because this combination interferes with absorption process, nutrients of both foods. You see that the eggs are separated easily and beautifully. We cut the raw egg to see how the yolk looks. You can see that the yolk is perfectly yellow. Whether it's morning or afternoon running, they all have a soothing flavor. Boiled egg can give you a sense of taste satisfaction. Morning with eggs is very convenient, fast and very nutritious. If you want to cook it, use the cooking method. You won't be disappointed. Do you know how to cook eggs? No need to soak directly in water, but still delicious, soft and easy to peel. If you have a better way of boiling eggs, please leave a message in the comments. Thank you for your support. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.